I am standing with a deep sorrow here. It's unacceptable. Such a brutal murder has happened here. And they are telling the victims have surrendered. Now Tamil Nadu has become a place of illicit liquor and illegal surrenders. That's all I can say. Even an ordinary housewife here, she is coming and telling these are not the victims. So this is Dravida model has become a murder model now. It's unacceptable. Day before yesterday, one ADMK Karyakarta has been killed. Yesterday, BCK. Then day before yesterday, one PMK. And one of our Karyakarta's husband was brutally attacked in Anna Nagar while running. So what is happening? Political murders have increased in Tamil Nadu. But in spite of all these things, the Stalin is silent. He is telling, no, everyone has surrendered. And the officers are telling, it is not a political matter. Why? Who are they to come to a conclusion? And CBI inquiry is required in this murder. Even recently, 3 months back, one of their alliance partner, Congress district president, Jay Kumar, has been killed. The Tirunelveli district president. No investigation done. Victims are not arrested. So I am enforcing that CBI inquiry should be there. And this North Chennai has been a shelter for all these paid people who are brutally killing other people. So I am really very much worried. And some of the people are telling they are motivating this when being in the jail. Sitting in the jail, these are planned and motivated. So powerful people are behind that. I cannot say it is not a political murder. Just cannot brush away. Though no, it is only personal rivalry. Then it will make the murderers to escape. So really, investigation should be there. CBI should be there. And why Stalin is not coming to Kallakurichi, not coming and paying homage to such a leader? Because he is the president of a national party. Why didn't the chief minister come and pay homage? Apart from the political boundaries, where is he? So he is afraid of coming here. So it is really very, very disheartening to see such a crowd crying like anything. And whatever may be the ideology, whatever may be the political situation, this should not happen to any political leader. Sorry for that. Law and order. Where is law and order? Every day one murder is there. That is Dravidian model. Where is law and order? But search the law and order here. No law, no order. Law and order only for chief minister and ministers. Safety for only them, not for others. Where is law and order?